It's Tuesday, Transformers Tuesday. Today we have Transformers Legacy Evolution Twincast Autobot Rewind. I picked this guy up last week at Walmart with Metal Hawk. Once more, very surprised that he's on the shelf. So, we have Twincast, who's actually just a recolor of, the figure's just a recolor of Blaster. But it's technically a different character, so it'd be interesting. Be a nice addition to my collection anyway. Artwork on the front of Alt Mode. Side artwork of Blaster. Product shots. Finally, Rewind. Legacy, generic artwork. Top, Transformers Legacy Evolution, and a QR code. Interesting fact, I finally remembered to scan one of these, and this QR code ends up in a dead page. It just comes with an error. So, your mileage may vary on these. On the bottom, legal. Let's grab Mr. Pointy and open Blaster up here. I guess I've decided the bottom is the way to go. Did I say Blaster? I'm in Twincast. It's Twincast. It's Blaster. Technically, it is rebuilt Blaster. Hey! Goodbye. Technically, it is a rebuilt Blaster from his final battle with Soundwave, where Soundwave and Blaster were destroyed, and later on their cassettes rebuilt them into Twincast and Sound Blaster. The box is now empty. Instructions, I don't think I'll need these. This is my third mold of the box. Third version of this mold. Between the original Blaster, Shattered Universe Blaster, Shattered Glass rather, and ooh, that is a nice set. I have a sharp new blade in there. And then the gun would just come out with. Or let's get fancy and... Oh, look at that cutting. Alright, so that part is empty. There's no other accessories here at the back. Yep. Here's the gun. This is the gun that always comes with a Blaster, with the red version, with the Shattered Glass version, and with Twin Twist here. Here is Rewind in unfortunate clear plastic because gang molded with Blasters with the that's weird. It's kind of like a, is it really gang molded? Because that doesn't look gray. Looks reddish. You'd think this would be reddish. I don't know. So anyway, it's supposedly gang molded, is why it's clear plastic with his chest piece. It may not be at all. They might be just doing this for the heck of it. Transforming this guy is easy. Hardest part is getting that head up. He actually transforms pretty whoa, what was that? I mean, it's not going to bother me too much, but what is going on there? Is that yellowed right out of the box? How is that yellowed right out of the box? I mean, I'm hoping this is showing up on camera. But, yeah, there's definitely a difference there. That is yellowed right out of the box. That is crazy. Rewind, it might make an improvement. So let's get back to transforming him. A little twist here, a little twist there. Hopefully they come up with some kind of better version of Rewind than this clear plastic version. there we go. There is Rewind with his one miscolored leg there. We'll set him aside. Let's have a look at Twincast. It's same articulation, blaster. Whee! And of course, he can do the splits because that's pretty much his transformation. And of course, he has the new smirking face, as opposed to that bland one. I don't know why this guy would be smirking. Because, you know, in order to take this form, he had to get blown to pieces. So, let's transform him. Swing those back. Swing those back. Pop this off, or not back, off. Flip his head in. Voila. Swing him around. Pull these out. Pull that out. Flush that up, because that is going to slide right into there. I like how I always forget a step. I'm pretty sure that's all that is. Oh yeah, that goes down. Alright, come on, arm. What am I forgetting? I'm forgetting something obvious, aren't I? Yes, I am. There we go. That's the other thing I'm forgetting. Gotta make sure you pull that panel completely down. And then that fits into it like so. That part should click onto there, like so. And it fits in like that. Okay. Next part. Let's fold this down this time. Voila. Let's take the arm, fold that up. Voila. Align that sideways. It will fit right inside the cavity there. Close that leg. There we go. Push it together. And then these two pieces go together like so. Oh, look. There is a mark on this. No idea why. Okay. So, there he is. He's in boombox mode. And if you feel inclined, you can put this on the back. And that's its antenna. Boombox antenna. Those were things you needed in the 80s. Of course, his chest panel does open. Unless somehow I have managed to break it while transforming. Something isn't quite lined up there, but he's going right back in robot mode after this. Then rewind here. Simple enough. Pull his head back. Fold his arms back in. Fold his legs up. Sorry. Up that way. Wow, I have completely mistransformed this. Oh. It's such an easy figure for transforming. And then we take his miscolored leg. Form that up that way. What is going on there? Oh, I see what I did. The ball joint wasn't aligned properly. And there he is. There is Rewind in cassette form. You pop him into there, and voila. There is his instructions. And at this point, thank you very much for watching, if you are still watching. This here's Transformers Twincast and Autobot Rewind. Make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you don't want to miss out on any future unboxing videos. And as always, thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.